Hi everyone, this is my brother Colin.
Hey.
He was in the Potter House episode, the final open house. He came with me, so you'll probably have seen him there if you watched Alex's last video. And today we have something a little bit different. I went to a garage sale and picked up these toolboxes. They're all full of random stuff. I'm not entirely sure what's in them. I took a brief look before I bought them. I paid $25 for all three of them. So let's get in and see what we can find. Okay, so getting into the first box here. This is the reason I bought these, was because there's these rolls of solder in here and they're all pretty much full, maybe a little bit taken off. And this is the good solder for stained glass. It's not rosin core, it's just solid lead and tin. So there's some, I don't really know what those are, but it looks like we have some sort of a strap and another one.
Some
leather cream.
outlet cover.
Fishing line. A corner for a chest of some sort. Part of a tire tune. A lock for a chest. Looks like they might have disassembled the chest. These must be openers for the lid. And just a bunch of nuts and bolts. Nothing too terribly interesting in this one. Box number 2.
A little bit more in here.
More rolls of solder.
Stapler.
Little stapler, that's kind of neat. Some tags. What's in transformer? Okay, some resistors in there.
Some darts.
Darts.
Lock.
A little lock thing, that's kind of neat.
Ooh, a pipe.
Oh, look at that. Didn't even see that in there. Made in Canada. That's a pretty neat piece right there. Some leather stripping or something. Oh, these look like maybe little salt and pepper shakers. This one's got the lid. That's kind of cool. Little latch for a suitcase maybe. A valve. Little lights and stuff. Some lantern covers. What's this? Not sure what that is. Some wiring, more darts. Some more electrical stuff. What have we got on top? Oh, these must be the staples for this little stapler. Those are really tiny staples.
Some reflectors.
And just more nuts and bolts. A little eye hook, I could use that. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this box.
And last but not least,
box number 3. Biggest for last. And this one comes out like that, I guess. Start in here. 22 shells. Open those up, see. Oh yeah, there's a few in there.
yeah.
Neat. Little quick pick screwdriver. Oh, these are pretty neat. These are probably 100 years old. They're square head lag bolts. You don't see the square head anymore. A little wood marker. A few bits. Toothbrush heads. Some doweling. Lots of pencils, pens. socket nut drivers. An adapter for, oh, I think that's a 1/4-inch adapter for a drill. So you put your 1/4-inch driver into there. You want to just pull the chuck back, and yeah, that's what that's for. Some little grommets, O-rings, keys. Oh, nice little file. Screwdriver, another file, clip of some sort, electrical tape, clothespins, kind of some neat things in there. Not sure what this is. Let's get into this box. It looks like there's some good stuff in here.
Some brand new unopened items.
Oh yeah,
Blades.
Olfa blades, 18mm.
A bunch of them.
Oh, how many have we got there? 5 pounds of blades? Maybe there's more in there. Oh, and this knife. I was actually looking for a knife like this, the ratcheting function.
More staples.
I'll probably put that one in my tool pouch.
Wow,
Oh, and there's a cat's paw. Look at that. Oh, a Vaughn cat's paw, brand new. I think it's only been pounded on a couple times. That's probably worth $30 or $40. Some carpentry pencils, more staples. No idea what that is. What's this here? Oh, an extendable bit.
I think it's an interesting
That's pretty cool. Probably use that too. Syringe that's got hardened epoxy or something in it. More wiring. Some plastic bags.
pouch.
Little pouch. Anything in there?
Nope. Looks brand new.
Not too sure what that is. Paint stir sticks. C-clamp. Little screwdriver. These are kind of neat.
Table clamps. Couple of those.
Keep your cables managed.
More bits.
Unopened, never been used. What's this down here? Oh, more razor blades.
Wow.
So here's what I thought were the best finds from this. These are things that I think are cool or I could actually use and I wouldn't have to buy them. Like these blades, these are things I'm gonna have to buy anyways, so I'll save myself a lot of money there. And this solder, I find this hard to find, the stuff without the rosin core. And this is 50-50 lead to tin mix. And usually I use 60-40 for stained glass, but I don't see why that'll be a huge issue. And then this is kind of cool, this pipe. And all these blades, 18mm blades for this Olfa knife. I actually wanted a knife. I used to have one of these. It wasn't an Olfa, it was a different brand, but it was this ratcheting function. And all I can find in the stores is the ones with the little knob and you loosen it and then it's loose and it's either tightened down and you have to fiddle with it or it's way too loose, sliding everywhere. But this is nice because you just push it and it's in and out. So I'll probably replace the one in my tool pouch with that one. And then these are just some kind of fancier carpentry pencils. I just prefer the standard wood pencil, but these are good too. And then this is the cat's paw that I found. I already have 2 stiletto cat's paws, so I guess this will just kind of be my tertiary cat's paw, I guess. But yeah, anyways, just out of usable stuff that I know I can use right away, there's probably, I don't know, $100 or so right there. And then all the other little stuff in there, who knows what that could be worth. I'll find a use for it eventually. So I hope you enjoyed that mystery toolbox unboxing. I'm actually working on the window for my bunkhouse right now, so I'll probably have that video out in the next week and a half or so. So thanks for watching.